And welcome back to the channel, and I'll be telling you today how to turn off the silent mode on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So as a newer iPhone 15 or 16 Pro Max, there is a button given over here, so you can clearly see this button. You just need to hold and press it over a second or two, and it will automatically put your phone into a silent mode like this. And you want to revert it back, you just need to hold back it again for a second or two like this, and it will back to the ring mode. Okay, another way that we can do is just go to the settings, and you just need to scroll down for sound and haptics like this, and there's an option of silent mode here. You can put your phone into silent mode here or get it back. Okay, and the third is, and the most easiest is as well, is just slide down from here, and there's an option here, just put it down and it will put your phone into silent mode. So that's how you can put your phone iPhone 16 Pro Max into silent mode, or turn it off or on. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll get back to you. Bye bye.